This conversation is powered by Google Illuminate. Check out illuminate.google.com for more. We're diving into the fascinating intersection of artificial intelligence and environmental responsibility. The article suggests that AI's energy demands are a significant concern.
Precisely. The computational power needed to train advanced AI models is immense, leading to substantial energy consumption and a considerable carbon footprint.
Right. But the article highlights that tech giants aren't ignoring this. They're actively seeking solutions.
Absolutely. It's not just about acknowledging the problem, it's about proactive solutions and a commitment to sustainability.
So Google's approach, for instance, is quite interesting.
Their use of AI to optimize data center efficiency is a prime example of how AI can be used to solve its own environmental challenges.
Let's delve deeper into Google's carbon-free commitment. Their aim to operate entirely on carbon-free energy by 2030 is ambitious, huh?
It's a bold goal, but their progress is impressive. Using AI to manage data centers more efficiently, predicting cooling and power needs in real time has yielded significant energy savings. The 30% efficiency boost is noteworthy.
Wow, that's impressive. It's a testament to the power of AI when applied to sustainability challenges. It's not just about internal improvements, though.
No, it's about setting a precedent. Google's demonstrating that the technology driving AI's growth can also be harnessed to mitigate its environmental impact. This sets a standard for other organizations to follow.
Microsoft's approach is quite different. Their nuclear energy initiative is a bold move.
It's a strategic decision reflecting the need for stable, clean energy sources to power AI's computational demands. Reopening the 3 Mile Island plant is a significant commitment.
I see. It underscores the idea that sustainability isn't about a single solution, but a diverse approach.
Exactly. It's about finding the right mixed technologies to meet energy needs while minimizing environmental harm. Microsoft's initiative encourages exploring all available options.
The article introduces the concept of green AI. What does that encompass?
It's more than just reducing carbon emissions. It's about integrating sustainability into every stage of AI's lifecycle development, deployment, and operation.
So it's a holistic approach then.
Absolutely. It's about responsible innovation, ensuring that AI's potential benefits are realized without compromising environmental health.
Do you think other tech companies will follow suit?
I believe so. The successes of Google and Microsoft will likely inspire others to explore renewable energy, implement AI-driven optimizations, and consider unconventional power sources.
Right. This could lead to a significant shift in the industry.
It has the potential to create a ripple effect, pushing the entire tech industry towards a greener future.
The article emphasizes that the growing energy demands of AI don't have to lead to environmental disaster.
That's the key takeaway. With proactive strategies and bold commitments, we can balance technological advancement with environmental stewardship.
It's all about responsible innovation, isn't it?
Precisely. It's about ensuring that the future of AI is not only smarter, but also cleaner and more sustainable.
The article concludes by highlighting the importance of early adopters of green AI, setting a compelling example.
Their actions demonstrate that a sustainable future for AI is achievable. It's a future where technological progress and environmental responsibility go hand in hand.
A future where AI contributes to a healthier planet.
Exactly.
This discussion has been insightful. The article's message is clear. The future of AI is inextricably linked to its environmental impact. We need to prioritize sustainable practices.
Absolutely. The initiatives of Google and Microsoft are encouraging examples of how this can be achieved.
Thank you for sharing your expertise. A shout out to Jay Poole from Tech Frontiers YouTube for the insightful article. Readers, what are your thoughts on this? Share your opinions in the comments.